So hey y'all, Adri's Kitchen 69 is traveling and I'm in Memphis, Tennessee. Oh yeah, I'm here at the King and Union grocery bar. Well, I think I'm gonna try this breakfast special. Ooh, they got something called braised pork belly served over cinnamon toast with raspberry compote. Let's try that, huh? That's different. So I think I'm gonna start this morning off the way I usually do. With a little mimosas now, dirty mimosas. Yeah, with some olives. Yummy, delicious. I can't wait to taste these pork bellies. What are they? Probably just bacon. Well, we'll see. Okay, well let's check out this pork belly. Pork belly and French toast. Ooh, with a raspberry compote. And it looks like I got some syrup there too. French toast. Here at King and Union Bar Grocery on BBKing Blvd in Memphis, Tennessee. Let's taste it. But yeah, pork belly tastes like a little smoky meat. A lot of little fat, if you like that. Ooh, fattening, but delicious. Well, alright. Let's try this French toast. With this raspberry compote. See how that tastes. Lots of it. Delicious if you like raspberry. Yummy. I must say this French toast is so fluffy and delicious. Like eating donuts in the morning. Well, sometimes you have to treat yourself. It's delicious. So here's my little review on this pork belly here that I've had at this King and Union Bar Grocery here on BBKing Blvd in Memphis, Tennessee. Just yummy, delicious. And of course, a little mimosa in the morning. Subscribe and love and like my channel, Adri's Kitchen 69. Travel reviews, restaurants, and room reviews. I'm just all over the place doing a lot of other things. But every day, enjoy living your best life.